After cleaning, reset your module with the reset switch located in either the lower left or the lower right corner. Flip the control to reset and back to on, and after a few seconds you'll hear an audible beep indicating that the module is ready to receive the signal. If we were successful when we turn the fireplace on, the pilot will stop sparking after a few seconds and the burner will light. If this is not the case, call Fireside to have a service technician perform a maintenance on your fireplace. If it was successful, make sure you turn the fireplace off and allow it to cool fully before reassembling. Once the fireplace is cool, put your logs back in place per the instructions in your owner's or installation manual. Clean your glass if you have not already done so, and reassemble the fireplace as instructed in our How to Clean Glass video.